Hi, this is Miss Carrie from the West Bloomfield Township Public Library. I just got done exploring World of Animals found in World Book Kids, and I learned some fascinating things. In the bug section, I read about ladybugs and why they are red and black to warn their predators that they don't taste so good. In the water mammal section, I learned about the huge manatees, also called sea cows, and how they are in danger of dying out. Do you like dinosaurs? I find them fascinating. In the prehistoric animals section, I read about the small but scary velociraptor and how in 1971 scientists discovered a skeleton of a velociraptor with the skull of another animal still in its clutches. Yikes, glad they're not around anymore. You can learn about many different topics in World Book Kids, all sorts of different animals, famous people. You can learn about places in the United States or in the country or other countries as well. You can even do science projects. I like doing science projects. I find them interesting. I tried out this wet paper towel check. World Book Kids will give you a list of all the supplies you need and the directions. And if you click on this little icon, you can listen to the directions being read to you. You even will get pictures and step-by-step procedures. Have fun with those experiments. Do you like playing games? You can play games on World Book Kids too. In the games section, they have puzzles like jigsaw puzzles on this airplane. You pull the pieces into the box to put them where you think they belong. And if you need a hint, you can actually see the picture behind it. You can do it with or without the timer, maybe even try to beat your own score. In this matching section, you can match all sorts of things like name the baby animal. You drag over the baby to the name of its adult. So a pup would be a baby dog, squirrel, seal, or rat. A chick would be a baby chicken or robin. A kitten would be a baby cat. And a cub would be a baby bear or tiger. If you get it right, you get a check. If you miss one, they'll give you an X and you can try again. They even have crossword puzzles and multiple choice questions to test some of the things that you have learned. Why might you want to do World Book Kids? Well, maybe you need to learn a little bit more on a topic that you're studying in school, maybe for a project or a test or for a report that you're doing. Or maybe you just want to learn something that you are interested in. There's two ways that you can explore World Book Kids. You can search by typing in a topic you are interested in, or you can click Explore. And then you can check out the topics that they have. Maybe I want to learn more about living things. Click on Animals. Oh, I think maybe I want to learn about some amphibians. Frogs and toads sound interesting, and here's an article about the bullfrog. The article is listed there for you, and again, this little icon will help you to listen to the article being read to you. You can look at the pictures, you can listen to sounds, there might be video clips. In the Tools section, you can save, share, or print the actual article. You can click here to translate if you need it in another language. There is so much to do in World Book Kids. I could spend hours here. How do you get to World Book Kids? That's a good question. It all starts from the West Bloomfield Township Public Library's website. You'll want to click on eLibrary, and then on our databases over here on the left-hand side, and then click on W for World Book, and here it is, right up here on the top. When you click on World Book Kids, you might be asked to put in your last name and your library card, so be prepared for that. I hope you will give World Book Kids a try and have a great time learning all sorts of interesting things. Happy reading and learning. Until next time, goodbye.